If you're over 75 and still relying on walking for your health, medical science has just revealed a crucial blind spot. I'm speaking as a physician who has dedicated 35 years to musculoskeletal health. Walking is beneficial, but it's dangerously incomplete. The trillion-dollar wellness industry promotes walking because it keeps you buying their products, but it ignores the specific muscle groups that prevent devastating falls. After 75, your body undergoes a silent crisis. Your stabilizer muscles atrophy, your neural connections for balance weaken, and your fast-twitch muscle fibers decline. Walking does little to combat this. It leaves nearly half of the muscles responsible for joint stability and fall prevention completely dormant. True strength in later years isn't about distance walked, but about muscles awakened. Researchers have now identified 5 targeted movements that rebuild this foundational strength. These exercises require no special equipment, which is precisely why you won't see them heavily advertised. The number 1 exercise on this list has been shown to slash fall risk by over 95%. Wall-assisted push-ups. This movement is a masterclass in safe, progressive strength building. It simultaneously engages your chest, shoulders, and core while being infinitely adjustable to your current ability. Stand facing a wall, placing your palms flat at shoulder height. Step back to create a gentle incline. Lower your chest toward the wall with control, then push back to the start. The secret is in the slow descent. This eccentric phase builds 3 times more strength than the push, performed 3 sets of 10. As you grow stronger, increase the angle by stepping further back. This exercise not only builds upper body strength, but also improves bone density in the wrists and forearms, areas highly vulnerable to fracture. Next is exercise 4. Seated leg lifts with resistance. Your quadriceps are your body's primary shock absorbers. When they weaken, the impact of every step travels straight into your knees and hips. Sit in a sturdy chair with a resistance band looped around one ankle. Slowly extend your leg until it is straight, hold for 2 seconds, and then lower it with equal control. This movement directly combats the annual loss of leg muscle mass. It reduces knee pain significantly and protects your joints. Use a band that provides enough resistance to make the last few repetitions challenging. This variable resistance is superior to weights for building functional, stabilizing strength. Modified balance flow. This is less of an exercise and more of a neurological recalibration. Your proprioception, your brain's sense of where your body is in space, deteriorates with age. This system is your most important defense against falls. Start with a simple weight shift. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, and gently rock your weight from your left foot to your right. Next, practice a slow, deliberate heel tote-tote walk. Finally, try holding onto a chair and lifting one knee for 10 seconds. Performing this flow for 15 minutes 3 times a week can cut your fall risk nearly in half. The slow, conscious movements forge new neural pathways, making your balance reactions lightning fast.